After completion of this video, you'll be able to set up a shared multidiscipline coordination space in a common data environment, perform multidiscipline clash detection, and report and assign coordination issues to the relevant stakeholders. Model coordination in Autodesk Construction Cloud takes collaboration to the next level by automating clash detection of model geometry between validated models shared with other disciplines. Once a team has completed their task and validated their model, they then share it externally into a collaborative shared space. Tools such as model coordination can be set up to automatically check for clashes across multiple disciplines without manual input, and this automated process saves time, allowing teams to focus on resolving issues rather than searching for them. To set up a coordination space for externally shared models in Docs, firstly create a shared folder, and all of the companies will use this to share their models externally with the other teams. To upload models into this space, in Docs, in the shared folder, create folders for the architectural, structural, and building services companies, and copy the architectural model from the architectural team's work in progress folder to the shared architecture team folder. To do this, in Docs, in Files, navigate to the architectural work in progress folder. Click to select the Revit project model you wish to copy. Above the model name, click the three dots to open the shortcut menu and click Copy. Within the shared folder, navigate to the architectural company folder and click to select the architectural company folder. And finally click Copy to complete the process. Repeat the process for the structural company, creating their folder and copying the work in progress model to the shared structural company folder. Then, in Product Picker, click Model Coordination. Click Settings and click Create Coordination Space to define where the coordination space is in Autodesk Construction Cloud. Enter Shared Stage Coordination as the name for the space, and under where it displays select the main folder for your coordination space, expand the folders and select the shared folder. Leave it set to select main folder and all subfolders so that you can organize the shared folder to contain subfolders, one for every team. Ensure Clash is set to on. You want to be able to check model geometry against the various models and click Create to complete the step. This time, instead of clashing in the work in progress folders as part of your design stage, this coordination space has been created to clash models that have been shared for stage completion, so there should be less or hopefully no clashes at all. In the Tools panel, click Clashes to open the clash detection element. In the top right of the screen, ensure the new shared stage coordination space is current. If not, click to select it. Click on the coloured box displaying the number of clashes, and within the left-hand window, click one of these clashes. The 3D view displays the clash. The way that the architectural model has been created, the structural columns are in contact with the external walls, and this has been shown as a clash. This can be fixed by the architectural team separating the external cladding from the wall and modelling this separately, allowing a space for the structural columns and beams. For now, try and find issues with the coordination of the door and columns or the window and columns. Click the checkbox beside the clash resulting from the door and the column. If you think a reported clash is not an issue, you can click Not an Issue. You're then provided with the option of providing a reason and comments to justify this. If you think it is a clash, click Create an Issue from the list. Select the type of issue, such as Clash, where the models share the same geometry space. Hover your mouse over the area on the model that you think is an issue, and click your mouse to locate the issue against an element, in this example, the door. On the right-hand side of the screen, Autodesk Construction Cloud updates with the image of the clash and provides you the opportunity to add a title, description, and you can assign the issue to a specific person, a role, or a company, along with a watcher and other notes. Possibly the architectural company may wish to move the door. The person or company that this clash has been assigned to will receive a notification when they log in to Autodesk Construction Cloud and will meet other team members from across the multiple disciplines. This is called a coordination meeting, where the teams discuss who should update the design and the model to accommodate the issue. For example, do the structural team move the column, or does the architectural team relocate the door? Repeat this process for the window and column clash, and who do you think should make the change here?